Peter Higgs, the man who found the God particle, 1929 to 2024. In the 1960s, physics was standing on the edge of chaos. Scientists could describe the particles of nature, electrons, quarks, photons, but not why some had mass while others did not. It was like knowing all the actors, but not the stage they performed on. Then, a quiet, thoughtful British physicist named Peter Higgs had an idea that would change the universe, literally. During a solitary walk in the Scottish Highlands, Higgs stopped suddenly, overwhelmed by a vision. He realized there must exist an invisible field filling all of space, one that gives mass to everything that moves through it. This was the Higgs field. And with it, came its mysterious quantum, the Higgs boson, the so-called God particle. When he published his theory in 1964, few believed it. His paper was almost rejected. Some colleagues even laughed, saying he was chasing ghosts. But Higgs wasn't seeking fame, only truth. He once said quietly, "If it's right, the universe will agree with me." Decades passed. Science advanced. New machines were built, particle accelerators, vast tunnels of metal and magnets, smashing atoms together at near light speed. Generations of physicists searched for Higgs's invisible particle, and failed. But the theory endured, unshaken, patient as its creator. Then, in 2012, deep beneath the Alps at CERN's Large Hadron Collider, the impossible happened. Two experiments, ATLAS and CMS, saw a signal. A bump in the data, small but unmistakable. The Higgs boson had been found, nearly 50 years after Higgs first imagined it. When reporters rushed to him for comment, the old scientist cried softly. He whispered, "I never expected to see this in my lifetime." In 2013, Peter Higgs and François Englert received the Nobel Prize in Physics for their discovery. It was the final piece of the Standard Model, the blueprint of the universe itself. But Higgs remained humble. He refused interviews, rarely used email, and once walked home from a Nobel ceremony without anyone noticing. To him, truth was its own reward. He passed away in 2024, at 94 years old, gentle, private, and timeless. He had never sought to be remembered. Yet the universe itself carries his name. In every atom, in every star, in every breath of matter that exists because of his idea. Peter Higgs once said, "I'm not comfortable with the term God particle. What we've found is something far more beautiful. The reason why existence has weight." He gave the universe its balance. And humanity, a glimpse of its invisible heart.